Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Last week on 6th of June was World Environment Day, but amidst the aftermath of election results, it might have slipped under the radar. So today, we're asking the question, do Indian elections care about climate change? Let's dive in. Over the past 6 weeks, a staggering 64 crore, that's 640 million people, voted in the world's largest democratic exercise. That's 1 out of every 13 people on the planet. But here's what often goes unnoticed amidst the election frenzy: climate change. Despite being a pressing issue, it rarely grabs votes in India, where voters prioritize immediate concerns like development, social welfare, and employment. This is surprising, given the country's acute water shortages, erratic weather patterns, and extreme heat waves that even affected voter turnout. Yet, only 0.3% of parliamentary questions relate to climate change, and India has just 1 out of over 700 political parties focusing on the environment. Elections also have a significant environmental impact. Large gatherings, canvassing, and commuting generate massive amounts of waste and pollution. If each of India's Lok Sabha constituencies uses an average of 1,000 vehicles for campaign work, the entire election could burn 244 million litres of fossil fuel, emitting 660 million kilograms of CO2. That's equivalent to the carbon offset of 2 crore, that's 20 million trees. Campaign flights and helicopters, which saw a 1/3 increase in demand this election, further exacerbate the environmental toll. For context, the emissions from one candidate's campaign flights in the 2016 US presidential elections matched the annual carbon footprint of 500 Americans. So, what is being done to address this? In 2019, the Election Commission of India introduced the concept of green elections, urging political parties to use eco-friendly materials for campaign banners and reduce their carbon footprint through public transport and carpooling. EVMs, electronic voting machines, have also helped by reducing the need for paper ballots, which once required nearly 10,000 tons of paper, equivalent to cutting down over 1 lakh trees. However, EVMs connected to VVPAT, Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail, still use paper, which can be environmentally harmful due to its metal coating. While some states like Goa and Kerala have taken steps towards eco-friendly elections, these practices are not mandatory nationwide. Kerala, for instance, banned hazardous plastic materials, opting for wall graffiti and recyclable paper posters instead. Elections are crucial, and we can be proud of how they're conducted. But future elections must reduce their environmental impact. What do you think? Should green election practices be mandatory? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on India's political and environmental issues. Until next time.